Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about fitness and how to achieve your health and fitness goals through exercise, nutrition, and lifestyle habits. Supplements and vitamins can play an important role in supporting your workout goals by providing your body with the necessary nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Here are some of the most common supplements and vitamins that are often used by fitness enthusiasts. Protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, and protein powder is a convenient way to increase your protein intake. Whey protein is a popular option, as it is quickly absorbed by the body and contains all the essential amino acids. Other options include casein protein, which is absorbed more slowly and is good for overnight muscle recovery, and plant-based proteins like pea or soy protein for those who are vegan or lactose intolerant. Creatine. Creatine is a natural substance that is found in muscle cells and helps to produce energy during high-intensity exercise. Taking creatine supplements can help to increase muscle strength and power, as well as improve muscle recovery time. It is one of the most well-researched supplements and is considered safe for most people. BCAAs. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are essential amino acids that play a key role in muscle protein synthesis. Taking BCAA supplements can help to reduce muscle fatigue, improve muscle recovery, and increase muscle growth. BCAAs are commonly found in protein-rich foods like meat, dairy, and eggs, but taking them in supplement form can be more convenient. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bone health and immune function, but it also plays a role in muscle function. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with muscle weakness and increased risk of injury. Taking a vitamin D supplement can help to ensure that you are getting enough of this important nutrient, especially if you live in an area with limited sun exposure. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that play a key role in brain function and heart health. They can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can improve muscle recovery time. Omega-3s can be found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as in supplements like fish oil or krill oil. Multivitamins. Taking a daily multivitamin can help to ensure that you are getting all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function properly. This can be especially important for athletes, as intense exercise can increase the body's need for certain nutrients. It's important to note that supplements and vitamins should not be relied on as a replacement for a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of protein, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables is the best way to ensure that your body is getting all the nutrients it needs to support your workout goals. Additionally, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination, and it's important to make sustainable changes that will support your long-term health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.